My name is Rosalind Kenny and I'm a medical provider at Rejuvime. I wanted to become a nurse practitioner because I wanted to further my education to be able to deliver a deeper level of care to my patients. I went to ULL for my bachelor's in nursing, and then I went to Southeastern Louisiana University for my master's. My favorite thing about working at Rejuvime is just being surrounded by such positive people and working alongside of them to deliver great care to our patients. My favorite service Rejuvime offers is hormone replacement therapy, specifically testosterone, being that I did not know that women need it just as much as men do, so it's been interesting delivering that care to women. My day-to-day looks like reviewing patient charts for the day, doing follow-up phone calls, first-time visits, and annual follow-ups with patients. Rejuvime is different from other clinics because we offer a concierge service to our patients that's directly tailored to their needs based on labs, personal complaints, and so forth. If you're interested in scheduling a consultation, come see me. I can't wait to meet you.